Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xanthe Naomi if you're new, and on my channel I do beauty related videos like natural hair, lashes, wigs, nails. I try to dabble just a little bit into fashion. I'm trying to get more into that, and I also do vlogs, lifestyle, stuff like that. And if you're interested in any of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this lash look. Yes, I have a lash video on my channel already. It was my very first video, so it isn't like the best quality, or I didn't describe things to the best of my ability, so I thought I'd try again. And since then a lot has changed. The way I do it has changed. One product I have changed, so I thought I would definitely try to remake this video. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys a bit more about everything in a little bit. I just wanted to come here and introduce the video. But yeah, these are how they look, and if you're interested in seeing how to do this for yourself for the minimum price, I'll show you guys this in the video. But for each of these fan things that I use, I have two of them. I think I paid $12, and then the glue was under $10, so in total you spend about maybe $30 on this whole thing. And that's a steal. Where can you go to get your lashes done for $30? You let me know, because I've never seen that. Lashes, to get your lashes professionally done, is anywhere from $100 to $300. So this is a steal if you ask me. Disclaimer, I am not a professional whatsoever. I do not have a license in this. I just like to do things myself to save me some coin, and because when I want something done, and I want it done right, I always have to do it myself. It appears. So I do it myself. It saves me time and a lot of money. If you're interested in seeing how I completed this look, just go ahead and continue watching. Okay, so hey guys. As you guys can already tell, I'm gonna be doing my lashes today. I know that I already have a video on how I do my lashes, but that was like maybe what, 6-7 months ago. My game has definitely upped, at least I think so. And I've changed how long like the lashes that I use are. My technique is different, and the glue that I use is different. So I just wanted to share with you guys an updated lash routine, I guess. I'm gonna be trying like a new style, kind of. I think it's called the baby doll style. Previously I used to do like the cat eye, but the baby doll is doing the shorter lashes on the inside and outside, and the longer in between. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And the two lengths that I'm gonna be using are 15 mm and 17 mm. This is a deep curl. That's gonna be the D curl. And this one is 17 mm, and this is also a D curl, but it's 20D. And if you guys have watched any of my previous videos where I do my lashes, then you guys know that I have struggled, and I mean struggled, with that glue. The glue is just so harsh and would literally burn my eyes like so much. But you know what? I'm a champ, and I pushed through all that pain, okay? So I went ahead and I went to Amazon, and all of these things are from Amazon. I'll link it down below in the description box if you're interested in any of the products. But like anything, I went on Amazon and tried to look for a more gentle glue that wouldn't be as harsh or burn my eyes as bad as the previous glue did. And I found this Balian gentle glue, and it says home and salon use, 5 to 6 second drying, and lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. So another issue that I had with my previous lashes, they would last maybe 2 weeks, but they would start falling out, I would say, within the first few days, which isn't cute at all. So yeah, this this is how the bottle looks. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, now that you guys can see my eyes. On the glue, it says that it dries within 5 to 6 seconds. So that definitely means that I'm gonna have to be as fast as possible, because 5 to 6 seconds is not a lot of time. I'm gonna start with the 15 mm's because like I said, I'm gonna be attempting to do the baby doll method, is short, long, and then short. So before ever doing anything with your eyes, you just want to make sure that they're clean, wash them. You guys know the drill. Before I even open up the bottle of glue, I'm just going to shake it to make sure it's fully mixed. And I apologize for the background, guys. I live directly across from the train. It's convenient when I need to take the train, but it's not convenient when I'm recording. So there's always that. So I'm just going to shake this really, really well. And then I'm going to open it. Now you don't need too much glue. I would recommend just a drop, and then close it so that it doesn't dry out. Always, I'm going to be using these to grab my extension and then apply it. So whenever you're grabbing them, you want to be really particular. Grab it, you want to grab from the bottom because you don't want it to separate. So I'm gonna take the first extension, dip it, and as fast as possible, place it where I want it to be placed. I always place my fan on during this whole process just because so it can dry faster. So if you hear that, that's just my fan. That's the first one. That definitely didn't sting or hurt. Usually I'd be like in tears by now. I'm not even joking. So that's a good sign. I'm just gonna place the next one. These are definitely longer than I'm used to. I always go for like a natural look, but I wanted to try like longer, voluminous, because I mean, why not? I'm all about trying new things. So I kind of like press in, like I place it, I press it down, and then like I push it back just to make sure like it's attached. About 21 lashes in each row, so I'm gonna like try and use like maybe a full row before I start to use the longer, but it all depends on like how it looks. I don't want to put too much of the short and then not enough in the middle, so I'll play it by ear, but I'll let you guys know like when I switch to the next length. Done so far. Literally guys, that took me maybe like 3 to 5 minutes. I used about 75% of that one full strip, and guys, I haven't turned on my fan yet. Like, that's crazy. Usually I would be in tears with that other glue, This glue is like bomb, really, really bomb. So now I'm gonna switch over to my 17 mm and come back to the 15s soon. So with these, I definitely want to try and use a full row. Like I said, I only used 16 out of the 21 for the 15s, but I really only did it on the corner of my eye. For the 17s, I want to go straight, maybe until like right here, or maybe like right here, and then I'm going to use the 15s for this. So like I said, the glue really dries fast. So I'm about 4 or 5 minutes in, and it's already dried out. I'm gonna go ahead and use another drop. So this is how it's looking so far. I wanted to try to put one like right here because it looks a bit empty, but it's not allowing me to. And guys, these are so long. Like, they're so long. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the 15s now. The thing that I do realize about this glue is that you have to use a lot more of it. So far, I've used about 5 drops, which isn't a lot, but it's more than I'm used to using, especially for only one eye. But you know what? It's worth it. No burning, no nothing, so I think it's worth it. So I'm just gonna go back in with my 15s and finish off the eye. And I'm finished with this eye. And this is how my eye was before, and this is how it is now. Before, after. Before, after. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this next eye. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I definitely feel like I love the baby doll look better than the cat eye, so I will be doing this more often. It just, I don't know, it suits me, okay? At least I think so. About the glue, 100% recommend this glue. I recommend it completely. The other glue was just too harsh. Like I would be crying, I would be tearing up, my eyes would be like blood red. Like this gentle glue, love it, 10 out of 10. I did get a bit of it in my eyes and like it didn't hurt, but I can feel it. Like I got some of it like on my, I don't even know what to call that, like on the inside flap of my eye, and I can feel it. It didn't hurt or burn or anything, I can just feel it, and it's kind of uncomfortable, but I'm getting used to it because I can't take it off the glue or I dried. But besides that, it's 10 out of 10. I didn't even have to use the fan to make sure that it dried. I used the fan. This also recommended that you don't wet your eyes for at least 24 hours after application, so I won't be wetting my face or my eyes for the next 24 hours, just to make sure that they dry completely and so I can have the most lasting effect. Yeah guys, that is it. I will link everything that I used down below for your convenience. And yeah, this is how they came out. I'll definitely get up and show you guys a bit more, but because I feel like it's not getting the full effect right here, but I'll show you guys that in a moment. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it or learned something, don't forget to like the actual video, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thank you guys, and